One of the major features of the 2017 Genesis line is the new GS4 grilling system. The Weber grilling system features a new and innovative igniter that uses an internal switch on each burner control to ensure that the grill lights every time. Simply turn the grill control knobs to get your grill going for a perfect cooking session time and time again. The innovative grilling system also features new high-tech burners to ensure constant heating all over the cooking area. The unique tapered shape ensures a consistent gas flow from front to back of the burners for improved heat distribution. The legendary Flavorizer bars were developed as a part of the original 1985 Genesis. As the juices and fats drip onto the Weber Flavorizer bars, the rich barbecue flavors are able to circulate and infuse back into the food while protecting the burners from grease. Another game changer is the new grease management system that is now placed in the center of the grill. By doing this, we offer much better access to the drip pan for ease of disposal.